Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Vortex Optics Crossfire 2. Vortex is an excellent company that offers a wide range of optics, including the best scopes for 308 and the best AR-10 scopes. The Crossfire 2 is built to last. Nitrogen purged, O-ring sealed and aircraft grade aluminum, the Crossfire 2 delivers a complete water, fog and shockproof scope. Specifically designed for discriminating hunters and shooters, the Crossfire 2 series of rifle scopes offer the highest levels of performance and reliability. With long eye relief, a fast focus eyepiece, fully multi-coated lenses and resettable MOA turrets, there's no compromising on the Crossfire 2. Clear, tough and bright, this rifle scope hands other rifle scopes their hat. The hard anodized single-piece aircraft-grade aluminum tube is nitrogen purged and O-ring sealed for waterproof and fog-proof performance. Second focal plane reticles are located near the scope's eyepiece behind the image erecting and magnifying lenses. This style of reticle does not visually change in size when you change the magnification. The advantage of an SFP reticle is that it always maintains the same appearance. Listed reticle subtensions used for estimating range, holdover, and wind drift correction are only accurate at one particular magnification. Our second best 10-22 scope is Sig Sauer Romeo 5. The Romeo 5 features our MOTAC, which increases battery life by shutting down the system when not in use and instantly activates the system when it senses the slightest vibration or movement. Your sight will be up when you go into action. The Romeo 5 will mount on any platform, and the solid aluminum design will give peak performance and years of service. The lenses on this sight are crystal clear with no tint. In terms of glass clarity, it's on par with my Aimpoint H1. The sight uses SpectraCoat, an ultra-wide broadband, anti-reflection lens coating that reduces surface reflections to extremely low levels. This provides incredible light transmission that performs even better than sights that cost twice as much. The red dot is crisp and bright, and can only be seen when looking through the optic. The size and brightness of the red dot are all adjustable. Third in our list is Vortex Optics VMX3T. Simple, fast, effective. The VMX3T magnifier will work with any of our red dots, but it is not recommended for use with the prism scopes. The push-button design of the VMX3T engages and disengages the flip mount, allowing the magnifier to lock in place. The result, 3x magnified or unmagnified views at will. Optics are fully multi-coated for optimal light transmission. Lightweight and tough, hard-coat anodized machined aluminum construction ensures durability. Internally nitrogen purged for reliable waterproof fog-proof performance. Ultimate magnified versatility for virtually any red dot sight. Allows for lower 1/3 or absolute co-witness mounting heights and is ideal for shooters who want to increase the effective range of their red dot sight. Number 4 in our best 10-22 scope list is CVLife Optics Crosshair Scope. The scope has a special inner and outer structure that controls the interaction between the scope's inner and outer tubes, ensuring long-term reliability in these interactions and ensuring the reticle does not rotate when adjusting. This clever design protects the scope from shock and allows for more precise windage and elevation adjustments. CVLife scopes can operate in any condition or environment. CVLife's fully multi-coated lenses can deliver an incredible 95% light transmission across 300% more of the visual light spectrum for a high contrast and color accurate image, ensuring that the picture remains visible by keeping fog, rain, and dirt off the lenses so you never miss a moment. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is UTG Bug Buster Scope. Built on true strength platform, completely sealed, and nitrogen-filled, shock-proof, fog-proof, and rain-proof. 1-inch tube with emerald-coated lens for crystal clear view with maximum light transmission. Innovative easy tap illumination enhancing system with red/green dual color mode and 36 color multicolor mode to accommodate all weather or light conditions. One-click high-tech illumination memory feature gets you right back to the color/brightness setting last used. Premium zero lockable and zero resettable target turrets with consistent and precise 1/4 MOA per click adjustment. Range estimating mil-dot reticle for optimal aiming and shooting performance. Adjustable objective from 3 yards to infinity to achieve parallax-free view. Large field of view and most accommodating eye relief for optimum critical CQB mission. Complete with 2 inches sunshade, high-quality flip-open lens caps and lever-lock quick detachable rings. The Bug Buster also survived my drop tests. O-ring sealed and nitrogen purge tubes offered a complete water, fog and shock-proof scope for maximum reliability. Even after the drop test and firing over 100 rounds, the scope held 0. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.